Every single visitor should be able to perceive and understand the publications you're creating with Maglr Pro. And that means your Maglr publication should comply with the WCAG accessibility guidelines. And in order to achieve that, you can make your publications accessible via the accessibility checker in our Maglr Pro editor. So let's find out how this checker works. So I've got my page here, which I designed in Maglr Pro. And in the Elements panel on the right side, I can find the Accessibility tab to view and edit the accessibility settings for the selected element. And I can also open the Accessibility checker here. And this allows me to alter the position of elements in order to create a technical reading order, for example. I can also add different types of heading tags to heading elements, like an H2 tag for my subtitles and an H1 tag for the main title of the page. And I can also provide alternative descriptions to visual elements like images and shapes and videos as well. But I can also mark them as decorative to hide them from screen reading software. And what I can also do is select the element that receives the main focus in case a button, for example, enables multiple elements on click. In this case here, where I have this pin that opens both a pop-up as well as a background shape to hide the default elements on the publication. But of course the focus should lie on pop-up 1 because that contains the information that I would like to show and that I would like the person to consume. And then be sure to save your changes in order to save everything and to make sure that the accessibility software actually picks up the changes that I've made. So applying these measures will make it easier for all types of visitors to perceive and understand your publications. But while our accessibility checker helps out a great deal, things like correct text formatting, color contrast, animations, and pop-up complexity are still largely your responsibility as a designer. So be sure to check out our extensive documentation on making your Maglr publications accessible via the link below. So now that we've found out how to make our publications accessible, we've mastered practically everything there is to know about the Maglr Pro editor. So be sure to finish up by applying for your official Maglr Pro certificate.